Hello everybody, Lurks here, welcome to my channel, and today it's how to turn off the water supply to a kitchen tap. Maybe you've got a leaking tap and you need to isolate the water, or maybe you just need to isolate the water because you're installing a new tap. If we go underneath the sink and look at the plumbing, obviously you've got the hot water pipe and you've got the cold water pipe, and on here you've got these isolating valves. I'm just going to be shutting off the cold water supply because it's exactly the same process for the hot water. I'm just going to put the cold water on very gently. Now if we go back underneath the sink, take a flat bladed screwdriver and you're turning this valve 90 degrees. So 90 degrees clockwise. You can hear above that the water's shut off. Do the same for the hot water supply and then you can uninstall your kitchen tap or make any repairs to it. To turn the water back on, just turn that screw backwards 90 degrees, so anti-clockwise. And there we go, the water is back running again. If you've not got any isolating valves, you may need to turn off your mains water at your main stopcock. Do this by turning this clockwise all the way in. And it's a good idea to know where your main stopcock is in case of any plumbing emergencies. If you cannot find that, you may have to turn off your water in the street. Obviously don't do this if you live in a block of flats because you will be cutting off everybody's water. Again, turn this valve 90 degrees to shut the mains water off. Now to turn the mains water back on your stopcock, open it up fully, but a top tip, after it's opened up fully, turn it back slightly. This just stops it jamming and seizing up in the future if you don't use it very often. And remember to turn the main supply back on in the street once you've made any repairs or you've fitted a new kitchen tap. Fantastic. Whilst I'm having a cup of tea, in the top right there's a link on how to fix a leaking stopcock. In the top left, how to replace a toilet handle flush lever on your toilet. And in the bottom left, how to remove mould from silicone sealant in your bathroom with no scrubbing. That is a top tip. I hope that was useful to you.